Heather here at BMW of Bridgewater, and today we're going to talk about the BMW Value Service program. Did you know that you can get brake pads, rotors, and sensors for $430 or less? Did you know that was actually cheaper than your local repair shops? Well, I just want to show you how easy it is to go on our website to check out different pricings for your vehicle. Follow along. First, you're going to go to our website at bmwofbridgewater.com. Then you're going to click on Service and Parts tab. From there, you will then click on BMW Value Service link. You will then put model year, your series, and your model, and then click on View Prices. Here you will find all the discounted prices available for your vehicle. Today I will be clicking on brake disc, pads, sensors for $368. Now you will see everything that is included in that service. You're then going to click on Schedule Service. You're going to put in your information to schedule your appointment today. Wow, wasn't that easy? I just want to thank you for watching, and I hope this was very helpful. If it's easier, then feel free to give us a call at 908-287-1800 and ask about our Value Service program.